Hello everyone, in this beginner tutorial I will show you how to use blueprints as reference in CATIA on the 3D Experience platform. My name is András Stojanovic, I'm a creative design consultant and I'm excited to guide you through this tutorial. So let's dive into the video. So basically, blueprints are detailed engineering drawings that illustrates the specifications, dimensions and features of a product. In our case, these are images of our modeling subject. By placing them to the 3D space, we can use them as reference while modeling. Ideally, we have the front view, side view, rear view, and the top view image of the product. There are many blueprints on the internet, but a lot of them has poor quality. So personally, I like to prepare these images before I start to place them in 3D. For this process, I use Photoshop, but there are a lot of free-to-use software as well, which you could use for this purpose. Now that our blueprints are ready, we can jump into the 3D Experience platform. Of course, I will start with human design to get the right proportions. After placing the human reference, we can switch to Natural Sketch and start with image placing. Under the Image tab, you can select the image chooser icon, then we have to define the reference plane where we want to place our image. And after that, we can select our image directly from the right folder. With a double click, we can activate the image and then we can move, rotate or resize it. In the navigation window on the right, we can lower a bit the opacity. By pressing on the Alt key and dragging the corner of the image, we can resize it proportionally. I realized that the helmet design is not fitting 100% to the head of the mannequin, so I focused on the eyes by placing the blueprint. We will solve this problem in the next steps during the modeling process. I will import now the side view of the helmet with the same functionalities like I did before, but I will resize it with the Edit Image function. After clicking on the icon, I select the bottom point of the helmet on the side view, and then the bottom point on the front view. To finish the resizing, I select the top of the helmet on the side view, and then the top on the front view. I will reduce a bit the opacity of the side view, and while pressing and holding the Alt key, we can drag our image in grid. We can move our image in the normal direction while dragging the center point of it. I noticed that I placed all the blueprints in the human, but what we really need is to place them in a separate part where we will do the modeling, so I will show you how to fix this quick. First I will right click on the product, then I select Insert and choose the 3D part. I will rename the new part first and then I hit OK. And with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, I can copy and paste the blueprints from the human into the new part. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial about blueprints and how to use them. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.